Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your comic book store business. Suppose you run a comic book store and many customers are excited to pre-order or buy the latest comic book. So we'll automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build WhatsApp chatbot for your comic book store business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and also see how it responds. So we will go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to buy book. After typing, I'm getting a response. Hey there, welcome to Cozy Comic. Want to be the first to grab the latest comic book release? We have got some epic drop this week. Ready to check them out. Now we have two buttons. Yes and no. I'm just click on yes button. After clicking yes button, I'm getting another response. Here are this week's featured issue at Cozy Comic: Spider-Verse, Batman, X-Men. I want Batman, so simply I am clicking on Batman. After clicking Batman, I'm getting another response. Awesome choice. Price, format, release date, available. What would you like to do next? Pre-order or go back? So you will see we are getting the responses like this. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section which we have received on WhatsApp. Now, if you also want to create the similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Metaphor developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. How to add WhatsApp number, folders, everything will be covered in the video. So go and watch the video. Now you see the navigation on the left side. In this we have an inbox, contacts, team queue, templates, broadcast, flows, settings, get help. I already explained inbox section. In this section, we check the responses. Now we have contact field. In this field, we add contact and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue option. Team queue is used to show the list of charts assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section, we create our template. Just click on add template and fill the details over here and simply submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here. Username, number, and just click on add broadcast. Now we have an option flows. Just click on flows and we want to create our new chat flow. Just click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot comic book store business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our chatbot. Now we enter our keywords like hello, hi, comic, book, buy, and so on. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format /b, open and close bracket, /b, and we separate the value by using vertical bar. Regex is also used to trigger the chatbot when user raise a query. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hey there, welcome to Cozy Comic. Want to be the first to grab the latest comic book release? We have got some epic drops this week. Ready to check them out. Now connect the flow and also add button, that is yes and no. This button helps to proceed for the next step. Now we take another text button. If user click yes button, then we will send our message. Here are this week's featured issue at Cozy Comic: Spider-Verse, Batman, X-Men. Now we connect yes button to this message box and also add button, that is Spider-Verse, Batman, X-Men. Now we save the flow. After save the flow, we take another text button and write message on it. If user click no button, then we will send no problem at all. We'll be here when you are ready to check out the latest release. Just type new comic anytime to see what's fresh at Cozy Comic. Now we connect no button to this message box. Now we take another message box and write some message on it and connect these 3 buttons to this box. These box contains the details of the book. Now we add buttons, pre-order and go back. After that we take question box in which we ask a question from user. Let's lock in your pre-order. What's your first name? Now we select contact custom field. In this we select full name and select the format, that is text format. How you can create this contact custom field? Just click on settings and click contact custom field. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity, ID. If you also want to add contact custom field, just click on add more field. Simply type here and click on save. After save, also enter description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now we take text button and enter some message on it. Thanks, dollar full name. You have pre-ordered. Would you like in store pickup, delivery? And you'll see we are using dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? Dollar sign is used when user enter their name, then automatically replaced by full name. Now we add our button in store pickup, delivery. Now we take text button and write some message on it. This is our final message. Your pre-order is confirmed. Full name will notify you as soon as book is available. Thanks for being the part of Cozy Comic community. Now we connect in store pickup button to this message box and delivery button to this box. So you will see we are creating our chatbot for comic book store business. Now it's time to test it. We are back to our WhatsApp dashboard and now I'm typing I want to buy book. After typing, hey there, welcome to Cozy Comic. Want to be the first to grab the latest comic book release? We have got some epic drop this week. Ready to check them out. Now we have two options, yes and no. Now I'm clicking yes. After clicking yes, I'm getting another response. Here are this week's featured issue at Cozy Comic. Spider-Verse, Batman, X-Men. Now I want Batman. So simply click on Batman. After clicking Batman, I'm getting another response. Awesome choice. Price, format, release date, available for. What would you like to do next? Pre-order or go back? I am just click on pre-order. After clicking pre-order, getting a response. Let's lock in your pre-order. What's your first name? Now I am typing my first name, test user. After typing my name, I'm getting another response. Thanks test user. You have pre-ordered. Would you like in store pickup or delivery? I want from store. So simply click on in store pickup. After clicking in store pickup, I'm getting our last message. Your pre-order is confirmed. Test user will notify you as soon as book is available. Thanks for being part of the Cozy Comic community. So you will see we are successfully creating our chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.